Welcome to my channel. So today in this video we will see about some free of cost courses. So if you are interested to learn project management, user experience design, data analytics or Python, there is something for you and it is free of cost. So if you have joined the program Pragati Part 2 Future and you have already graduated from that, so this video is for you all. Hope you guys have get the mail about that already. That and these courses are for only you girls who have completed the course of Pragati Part 2 Future. So they are giving you the graduation reward. You have already get the certificate of Pragati Part 2 Future, that is cohort first, second, third or fourth. Maybe then this courses is for you. So how to access these courses? So there are 8 plus courses from Google and Coursera to develop your skills and grow into your job markets. So if you get this mail, you can see this tab Coursera, click here to access, then click on that. After clicking on that, log into your tab of Infosys, then you can see your courses here. So here are the courses list. First is Google Data Analytics, Google Project Management, Google IT Support, Google Interface Design, IBM Data Analyst, Google Cybersecurity, Data Science Foundation, and other as well. If you want other courses as well, you can have it. For us, this is the free vouchers. For access and for others, it is a paid courses. So please get this opportunity, complete your courses, enhance your skills. If you have any query, you can comment down. Thanks for watching the video.